New tonight at 5:30, more than 30,000 people here in Connecticut are legally certified to use medical marijuana.
And state lawmakers may decide to allow recreational marijuana. Now, this has created some confusion for employers and employees, but mainly because the federal government considers marijuana an illegal drug.
Chief Capitol reporter Susan Raff is here tonight with more details on what they're looking into for us now. Susan?
Mark, right now only patients are allowed to buy and use marijuana, but what about companies that they work for? Most have drug policies and testing, and people are still trying to find out what the laws are all about and how they're protected.
Marijuana is legal in Connecticut, but only for those who have certain illnesses. In order to buy it and use it, people have to be screened by medical professionals.
And so we expect, and more often than not, employees are responsible in their use.
Kebra Smith-Bolden is a registered nurse. Her company, Canna Health, does the screening. If someone has one of the identified illnesses with symptoms, they can get a certificate. But medical marijuana has made it difficult for employers and employees when it comes to workplace policies on substance abuse. This week, local businesses got together to talk about some of these issues. Many companies are finding they may need to revise their drug policies.
A person still can't be impaired on the job. So the challenging part comes in, what if somebody has marijuana on the weekend on their off time?
If you have a certificate for medical marijuana, you are protected under state law. That means a company cannot discriminate against you. Smith-Bolden says there are many misconceptions when it comes to marijuana.
People don't understand cannabis, because of the fact that it stays in your system for 30 days. People automatically equate that with being high for 30 days.
A Connecticut woman recently sued a company she wanted to work for and won. She was hoping the company would hire her, but she was not hired because she failed a drug test. She did have a certificate for medical marijuana. Companies and employees are finding out all across our state there's a lot of gray area. Susan Raff, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.